Hi guys, Frances here, and today I'm joined by Alana.
Hello.
And we're here to share with all of our New Zealand Bellas what is inside of your June Bellabox.
Yeah.
So the theme this month is travel ready treasures, and our box is filled with a variety of beauty products, all suitable for travel. So whether you're going overseas, a weekend away, or having a staycation,
Nice.
they're all suitable. So I will get into the first product without further ado. The first one that I have for you is the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. So Dr. Botanicals is a UK brand and they do gorgeous skincare. Their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and 98% natural, well this one is. So basically what it is it's a hydrating mask. It's like a really thick cream and you put it on at night before you go to bed. You sleep with it on, and when you wake up you can cleanse your face as normal, and it's going to help really hydrate your skin, rejuvenate, make it really glowy. So the main ingredient in this mask is pomegranate, which is packed with antioxidants and is really beneficial to your skin.
I have the Serafim Botanicals Quince and Crimson Long Lasting Lip and Cheek Crayon. I'm wearing it as a lipstick today, but you can also wear it on your cheeks thanks to the buttery formula. It's perfect for travel because again, you can use it for lips, cheeks. It's perfect, and it's a beautiful formula, really soft and buttery, and it's a really beautiful color too.
It's perfect for winter because it's always easier to rock a red lip in winter, and it complements any skin tone.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You can also mix it with a bit of your favorite lip balm so you control the color. So you can do like a lighter red or a darker red, whichever you prefer.
Awesome. The next product that I have is from Head & Shoulders, and it is their anti-dandruff shampoo. So this shampoo is infused with argan cream, which makes it smell amazing. So hand smell.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It smells so good, can't get over it. But basically, we all have dry skin in winter, and that doesn't exclude your scalp. So often we can get flaking in our scalp, which is why Head & Shoulder is perfect for winter months. It's going to help with dandruff in the hair or a dry scalp, but it's also going to make your hair feel really soft and manageable and smell beautiful.
Okay, so next I have the White Glow Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. It smells beautiful. It's perfect size to pop in your gym bag or to take to work and have on your desk if you want to brush your teeth after lunch. It's also under 100 ml, so you can take it on a plane as carry-on.
Yeah.
Plus, when you're brushing your teeth in the mirror, you look like an Instagram superstar.
And this one is infused with the activated charcoal, so
stunning.
it works really, really well to remove stains on the teeth.
Yeah, it's stunning.
That brings me to my final product, which is from Whatnot, and it is their natural organic purifying facial wipes. So Whatnot is an Australian brand. They have organic products which are really beautiful. These wipes are made from 100% biodegradable cloth, so you know that you're doing good for the environment while you're using them. They're also really soft when you use them on your skin, and because they're free of any nasties, they're not going to cause irritation to any skin. But even sensitive skin types. So often when you have sensitive skin like Alana, you can't use makeup wipes, but she loves these and uses them almost every day, right?
Yeah.
And you said you always have a packet in the car or on the go.
For emergencies.
Yeah, because you never know when you're going to need makeup wipes. So
yeah, and lucky last, we have the Weleda Pomegranate Body Lotion, packed with antioxidants. It's perfect for winter skin as it soothes and tones.
pomegranate is a bit of an ingredient
It's a bit
here,
of a
isn't
thing,
it? We're highlighting it.
Yeah, well it is packed with antioxidants and it's delicious
Yeah,
too.
and it smells really nice, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does.
Great, so that wraps up all of the things inside of our New Zealand June Bellabox. We can't wait for you guys to receive your boxes this month and show us on Instagram and Facebook what you've received. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.